Today I have brought some different style of text animation template for you. So let's see the previews of text animation. And as usual, project links and XML file of these text animations will be found in the description. And then by downloading, importing them in Alight Motion, and it is very easy to customize it. Which is easy enough. So now see you in the next video.